What animal has long ears and loves carrots? Rabbit. What animal barks? Dog. What animal is known for being slow? Tortoise. What animal has stripes and lives on grasslands? Zebra. What animal can mimic human speech? Parrot. What animal is called the ship of the desert? Camel. What animal hoots at night? Owl. What animal has 8 legs and spins webs? Spider. What animal lives in water but cannot swim? Hippopotamus. What animal can camouflage by changing colors? Chameleon. Remember to like the video and subscribe. More fun quizzes and challenges await you.